I love mini gadgets from Aliexpress. And this one, it costs around $3 US. And take a look. What is it? It's very small. It's a portable LED small flashlight, rechargeable compact pocket for camping, light, height, bright, waterproof keychain, LED light outdoor. I found it that is very interesting and cool for me. That's why I ordered it, and of course I got it. Oh, no bubbles again. Ooh, nothing on package. The short Type-C charging cable. Oh, here it is, the flashlight. What is this? The instruction manual, I don't need it. I need to remove this sticker. Oh, take a look. The foam protector that I hate. Let's pull out gently. Again, there is a foam stick to the flashlight. I'm gonna remove it. And let's take a look at the description. The size of the flashlight is 64 millimeters by 15 millimeters, and it says that it have 8 plus functions. Alright. The battery inside is lithium rechargeable with 200 milliamperes. Light distance 30 to 50 meters. Waterproof design. Alright. But that doesn't say what kind of function it have. Okay, we're gonna check that right now. So in description it says that it have 8 plus LED functions. Beside that, at bottom it have a magnet, so you can stick on magnet surface. Whoa. Take a look. Okay, this thing is for hanging out on some kind of camping tent or something. You have a clip also that can be removed easily. We have this, which is protected for waterproof. Type-C connector for charging. We're gonna check that later with how many milliamperes is charging. The main power button. Okay. At front we have the main flashlight, and from the side it says that have also LEDs, but it should be like this maybe. Yes, but this way you can charge it. Never mind, 4 LEDs at the front. Nice. And before I show you how it works, this mini flashlight, I must mention this guy who support my work, and it's Dennis. And Dennis sent to me, believe it or not, 50 coffees. Yes, and he wrote, thanks for the many hours that I have spent watching your videos. Not only have I learned a few things, but I received few orders to get busy exploring with fascinating technology. All the best to you, with season greetings. I respond to Dennis, and I wrote, wow Dennis, thank you sir for so many coffees. I am so excited, and I can't believe it that there are guys who want to support my channel and support the electronics. Dennis sent me $150, and that is 50 coffees. He sent me coffees for 5 years maybe. Thank you a lot, Dennis, and this means a lot for me. Thanks again. Okay, let's back to the video now, and I'm gonna power on in 3, 2, 1. Oh, the side. Also we have green light, meaning that it's turned on. This is the first function. Little bit lower, second, third. Ooh, warm white. Fourth function, medium, low, and turning off. How many are they? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 functions. And how to turn the front light? With 2 fast pushes. And take a look, we have the green light, meaning that it's working. Sorry. 1. Oh, we have a flickering. 2. This is a little bit higher. And this is, wow, this is super bright. And turning off. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 6, 10 functions. And now it remember when you press the power button, it remember the front light. If you want to switch on the side, 2 fast pushes. Alright. And if you hold it, whoa, 11 functions. Take a look. When you hold, there is high beam, release it, turning off. Hold it, high beam, off. 2 fast. Oh, this is fun. Let's take a look at completely darkness. Low, medium, high, and this is super high or super bright. Ooh. And when you turn it off, one more time, too fast. Oh, this is warm white. I like warm light. And when you hold it, extra bright. Nice. And take a look with illumination in dark. This is nice. Super nice. Wow. Beautiful mini. Oops. My bad. And it's waterproof. I'm gonna leave it for a couple of minutes and see will it work again. Alright. Working fine. It's good. Oh, I figure out some things about the flashlight. First, it has 2 positions for the clip. You can attach it like this, or the second like this. Alright. The next thing that I figure out, if you have an ordinary Type-C charging cable with this connector, it will not charge because it's not going to the maximum of the port. Take a look. But if you use the cable that comes together with the flashlight, take a look, and now it's going and it's charging. We have a red light, meaning charging, and it's pulling 350 milliamperes. Is that good for the battery or bad? Please tell me in the comments below. The battery capacity is 200 milliamperes. We charge it with 360 milliamperes. Alright. This rubber cap need to be tied very good, so can this flashlight be waterproof. Nice. You can see the lines, right? That means that the frequency of the light is a little bit weird. Alright, never mind. Anyway, this mini flashlight, it's okay, and I love it because of the size. You can wear it in your small pocket of your jeans. It's not too much expensive, it's around $3 with 10 plus functions of the flashlight. Maybe the capacity of the battery is small, 200 milliamperes, but for emergency this is good stuff. Also it have a magnet, a clip, low, high, medium beam at the front, or also on the side. It lights illuminate in darkness, that is also good. The link will be in the description below so you can check it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!